Alright guys, it's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Farm. Back at y'all with another video. Hope y'all having a blessed day. Well, my truck didn't pass the inspection as you guys seen in the previous part of this video. So therefore I had to go grab a welder for 2 spots, he said. So we're gonna weld these 2 spots and then take it back. He said everything else is good. So I had to go spend $150. Well, sorry, let's scratch that. I spent $143 on a welder from Harbor Freight. So they gave me a discount. The chick at the register gave me a discount on the welder. $15 customer appreciation, because of course, you know, me being me, she was laughing and giggling and she hooked a brother up on a discount because I asked, you know, when is my because you know they got your name in the system. So I was wondering if I had any discounts in the system. She said, don't even worry about it, I got you. So she hooked me up a $15 discount. So we appreciate that. So yes, we are back, and the wife ain't happy, but the truck will be fixed. So this is the welder we went and picked up. That is $150, $149 actually. $8 taxes, $158, you know, $57. But it came with the spool that we needed, and it got a little mask that I can use. So we good to go. So that man right there over there on that porch. Let's zoom in. Yeah, that one that's sitting all the way against that glass right there. He ain't gotta stand up. I got him. So yeah, him. He Savage Scott. He don't want to be called Savage Scott. Small town Outcast. Y'all know the YouTube channel. Make sure y'all go check out his channel. That's my buddy. He just started a new YouTube channel. So we getting ready to work on this truck. We're gonna work on that truck, and we're gonna work on the truck in the back. I don't know if the Magnum need any welding. I don't think so. Underneath my carriage, I'm told is perfect, and I definitely don't think that need no welding. So old body need welding. So we're gonna tighten her up and things, and I get back to y'all when we start doing some type of welding. We opened up our welder. We got good fresh directions, fresh out the box. Nigga did not pay for the warranty. Shit.
You don't need a fucking warranty.
We ain't doing that. You know what I mean? We ghetto fab. Just give me that.
You still never grabbed my sunglasses.
Oh, that's right, cause he heard mask. Hey, D. D. Hello, Radio Raheem. Go get his mask, his glasses. One ear open at all times, Radio Raheem. Hey, girl. He done slid under the truck already. He like, this motherfucker went to the store. What'd you say, new toy? I told him, I said, as soon as I come back with that motherfucker, you gonna be like, ready to roll. I don't wanna do shit. I'm ready to weld some shit.
Hey, Scott, you think we should weld these bushes over here?
Scott, you here?
No, I didn't hear it. But no matter what your fucking husband told you, I didn't tell him to buy it. I told him. He said he wanted to buy the $75 stick welder. I said, I don't use stick welders.
Right.
You think we can weld these bushes over here?
She wanna weld the bushes. She said we gonna weld the bushes.
We can weld it with a gas can, yeah. That ain't no problem.
Chop them motherfuckers down. She's like, we can chop them down all the way.
Look, if I go
I said, well, it ain't gonna be no bushes no more.
I just go a little bit too low.
Unboxing, it came with the handles to go on top of it. Now that, boom, we're gonna sit that right there, because don't nobody need the handles for the top of it right there. Now let's bolt the handles on it. Uh-oh. There's some hook on that shit. Let me see.
you.
He just got here.
But what did I say? I don't give a fuck what you said. What did I say?
All right, buddy, let's grab it out of there.
Damn. We getting ready to grab it up.
How the fuck are you gonna grab it with a handle that needs bolted down? That needs
I was
bolted.
gonna headbutt you. Well, hand bunch you.
Good, I'm glad that fucking bitch is leaving. I'll run her fucking mouth.
Don't pay him no attention. I had to tell people on YouTube, don't pay him no attention.
Yeah, you know, I'm just the angry cracker across the street. Fuck off, Melissa.
We gotta put our own shield in the motherfucker. I can put a strap on this motherfucker.
I can put a strap on
Yeah, man, we can put a strap on that. You know, they talking about just put a little handheld thing on there and you just hold it to your face. You know what I mean? You're supposed to hold it. This is the mask, y'all. Let me stop playing around with y'all. Cause I'm doing a lot of playing. I don't know if I'm excited that I got a welder, that we got the welder.
What do you want, Brett?
Or what? But
You better get out the street for Junior hit you with the basketball.
Well, the fact that I can fix your truck, my truck.
I said, Jack, you better
Yes.
get out the street before you hit him with the basketball.
the what?
What's that?
The iPod is on the floor somewhere in the truck. Well, that's all I can tell you. Stop interrupting my
Video, asshole.
my review. All right, there go the mask, y'all, and the handle. As y'all saw, it almost jumped off Mitch's in the face.
Oh, she's so cute.
Here go the shield for your face. Put it in there. It go in the mask. You know, Scott ghetto fabulous, so he say he don't need no shield.
I mean, technically, you do.
I know technically you do, but when you just ghetto fabulous with it, you don't need no screw. All right, y'all. This is the cheapest welder that they had at Harbor Freight. This one was $149. Taxes, $15 tax. I mean $8 tax. So $158.
You grab me a Phillips
58.
because you're the fucking
So
one right there.
and it's 125 amp flex
get
wire
the metal?
welder. Huh?
Did you get the metal?
The what?
The metal?
Oh, well, yeah, I didn't go get no more metal because I had metal. So I got that metal in there that we already got. So, what do I do with this shit? Let me pause this, y'all. I'll come back. Right. Be getting it right the right way, not the wrong way.